Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, that is Versatile Love. Again, I am here to show you another authentic Bengali recipe, that is loita machir jhuro. Okay, so let's see how to make it. First of all, I put some mustard oil here. I'm not using any rice bran oil or refined oil. It is only making in mustard oil. And here I am using some pashporon and some cumin seeds. Now I am going to add some onions and also green chilies. 3 whole onions I have chopped it here. Which ingredients are required, I will put it in description box, but as because my mustard oil is already become hot, so that is why I am started off my cooking procedure. So here I am given 3 whole onions for frying and also add some green chilies. And also add some green chilies. না বরফ চালিয়ে দিয়ে দিয়ে দেবো সাথে ধনেপাতা কাটা হয়নি নিয়ে এসছি So we have to wait still the onion turns red. Now you can see that my onions change its color. So this is the time when we can add something else. So here I have grated ginger and garlic. I have grated, and now I have put it. It is not paste, it is grated. Okay, I have grated by this. So this is not the paste. I have put it here. Now again you have to fry it off. Very well, because the rawness of your garlic and ginger need to be vanished first. Now I am adding some tomatoes. some tomatoes. I have taken one whole tomato. Now I am adding some salt in my dishes. One and half. Again, my fries are sticking, that means it is ready, and the oil comes out. মশলাগুলো দিয়ে তারপরে মাছটা অ্যাড করব। Now I am adding turmeric powder. Adding turmeric powder. Cumin powder. Coriander powder. Red chili powder. And we need to fry it well. You can see the lucrative color. I smash it off all the tomatoes. The whole tomato I have smashed it off. This is the spicy recipe. গরম মশলা লাস্টে দেব। Again, now it is time to add our fishes. So I put my flame. করতে গেলে কিন্তু যাই না, জল দেওয়া ছিল না। Okay, I give my whole fishes. This is raw fish. This lote mach, those who knowing about these fishes, you must be knowing this type of fishes are not able to fry. They are frying like this. ঠিক আছে, এটা উল্টে দিন। can make by this loita mach is bora. In besan you can fry it off, but in if you want to eat some fry of loita mach, it is not possible. You cannot eat loita mach as fried it off, and you cannot take. In loita mach, it's actually prepared again, friends. Now I am adding some sugar, little pinch of sugar. ভাজা মশলাটা একটু খুলে দিন তো। এখন না খুলে রাখ না, একটু ঢাকাটা আলগা করে রাখুন যাতে আমি এখন আস্তে সাতটা so you have to stir it like this. Now you can see, my friends, the total fishes are melt off and mixing with this onions and others. We are not finding out any fishes over here. This fish is like, you cannot write it off. It is actually eaten by only like this. Or you can do one thing, you can fry it off with besan. Otherwise it is not eatable like a fried fishes. Is it looks awesome? And definitely the taste too. Now I am adding some fried masala, which has cumin, the roasted cumin, and some dalchini, elaichi, long. I have put it here. This is what to enhance the taste, because this fish has a smell. Okay, so we have to putting off the smell by cooking it very well. It is not yet need some time for cooking. It is not at all cooked it well. I have seen you, because of the you cannot find out the fishes because it is totally melted off. We have to wait till the oils comes out, but you can find out, friend, it needs some time. Yes, we should wait for a little bit for prepare. Then now you can see It is almost done because the total thing is now sticking on my pan. That means it is well cooked. Now we are adding some garam masala with it. Little pinch of garam masala. Now we are adding roughly chopped coriander leaves with it, because you have to put some coriander, otherwise the smell can be affect. Now I am switch off my gas and I mix it off with my coriander. Yes, the smell is too nice. Please friend, please prepare this recipe and tell me if you are not finding out, because this is the season when you can find it out, this lote mach in your market. I don't know in which corner of India it can be find out, but in West Bengal and also in sea based areas you can find it out, this lote mach, and this is called lote macher churro, and you know how it can be prepared now. So friend, this is now done. So please do not forget to subscribe my video and also like my channel and like this video also. Till then, spread love. Bye bye. Goodbye all of you.